everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin or unpin post on Facebook page. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the top right corner of your profile, you can see a circle icon with 3 lines on it. So tap on that option. Now once you are here, simply tap on See More. Now tap on the option of Pages. Now select the page that you want to switch to. Now once you are here, at the bottom, you'll see the option of switch just beside your page's name. Tap on that option. Now within a matter of seconds, you'll be switched to your Facebook page. Now just at the top, you can see a circle icon at the middle of your screen. Tap on that option. With that, you'll come to the main profile of your Facebook page. Now simply scroll down below to your uploaded posts. Now once you come across your posts, just at the top right corner of each and every post, you can see 3 horizontal dots. Tap on it. Now just on top, you'll see the option of Pin Post. Tap on that option. Now your post has been pinned, which means that particular post will come under the featured photos on top just before any Facebook page posts that you have made. So now let me show you how you can unpin the post. In order to do so, you have to scroll all the way back down to the post that you had uploaded. So let me scroll down below. And again, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner of this post. Now simply tap on Unpin Post. And now you can see that this particular post has been removed from the featured photos. And now in order to see this post, you have to scroll all the way back down when you had uploaded this post. So follow these steps and you'll be able to pin or unpin post on your Facebook page. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.